The game of Solve and Settle consists of 80 territory cards. Each territory card contains an algebraic equation that needs to be solved. The territory cards are laid out in a 5x5 grid, forming the playing board and representing the land that needs to be settled. The solutions to the equations are the integers -8 to 8, including no solution and all real numbers as possible answers. Each player chooses a color and is then dealt 6 answer cards. These cards contain the possible answers to the equations to the territory cards. In addition, there are 2 types of action cards, a retreat and a free play. On your turn, survey the different territories and try to find an equation that has as its solution an answer that you hold in your hand. For example, in this territory card the answer is 5. I have the answer 5. I discard the card and I lay a chip on that territory. This shows that I've settled that territory. After my turn, I draw a new card to replace the one that I just played, and then play proceeds to the left. If on your turn you choose to play an action card, simply discard the card and perform the action on the card. Free play allows you to place a settlement on any territory without actually having the answer, and a retreat allows you to remove an opponent's chip from any territory. You can, on your turn, choose to exchange cards. For example, if you don't have any answer cards to any of the territories, simply choose those cards as many as you want, discard them, and draw as many as you discarded. Play then proceeds to your left. If a player surrounds an opponent, an empire is created. In this example, blue has surrounded yellow. When this happens, the opponents engage in battle. Each player rolls the die, and whoever rolls the highest number wins the battle. In this example, yellow rose 4, and blue rose 6. When that happens, blue removes the yellow settlement and places a blue chip in its place. Once all the territories have been settled, or the draw pile has been depleted and there are no more possible moves, the round ends. The person who settles the most territories wins the round. There are enough territory cards for 3 rounds of play without having to reshuffle the territory cards.